Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. Finally! Well, actually not a hair tutorial, it's a hair review, a hair product review. Finally I took my twist out so I can be able to do, you know, hair reviews and stuff, hair product reviews for you guys. So today we're going to be trying out a cream wash and go. Now I have never ever done a wash and go with just a cream. I've always used a gel, a mousse, or a leave-in and a gel, leave-in and a mousse, or a leave-in or whatever. So today I have heard great things about this product. Wait, if you want to see what this product is, please keep watching.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we get 'em.
Alright, so I have to do my little intro thingy. Okay, so I've heard great things about this product. It's been raved on YouTube, Instagram, and I've even seen it on Snapchat before. But I'm talking about the Texture ID styling cream. I've heard great things about this. I've heard people pair this with pair this with gels for balm wash and goes. I've heard people use this by itself for a wash and go and have a good result. So I'm going to try it out today for just that. Not on its own. I just colored my hair. I recolored my hair, the red color. So I deep conditioned my hair, washed my hair, deep conditioned, and this is my color here. Refreshed color. It's been over a year since I've colored my hair, so I needed to get a color pretty bad. So I am going to, I already put a leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I used the Misha Beauty leave-in. I did that while my hair was wet in the sink, so my hair is still pretty wet, and as you can see, it has pretty good curl definition already. Oh, I miss my hair like so much. I miss my hair so much. So I'm going to go ahead and just start parting my hair. I want to do a deep side part this go round. Well, deeper than that. Yeah, I want to do a deep side part with this wash and go. So I'm going to section my hair off. I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can get a better look of the product and also see my hair better. All right, whew, this is very close. But I want you guys to see what my curl pattern is looking like as of now, before. So my curls are already popping and really healthy and look good. Just from that leave-in conditioner. I told you guys before, I love this Misha Beauty leave-in conditioner. I don't know if she has any styling products, but I'm sure if she did, I would have brought them by now. But we are using the Texture ID styling cream here. This is, let's see, it's for curly hair types of a 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you hair type your hair, then if you type 1, 2, 3, or 4, it's just, this product is for you. It has cocoa butter and shea butter. Provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. This says it's great for twist outs, rod sets, and protective styling. So I'm going to be using it for a wash and go. And this is what the product looks like here. It's kind of jiggly, but whoa, 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 whoa. Don't want it to come out, but let's see. I'm gonna use about this much of the product, and I'm going to just apply it to this section of my hair. Add a little bit more to my ends. And I'm going to wet my hair, because as you know, I like soaking wet hair for a wash and go. I should have wet it first, but I'm gonna take my Denman brush, or my knockoff Denman brush, I don't know where this brush came from, and detangle from, well, not detangle, but make sure the product is distributed. Let me push y'all back a little bit. Okay. That's better. It was too close. If I hear the baby crying in the background, that's Malia crying. My niece is here helping me so I can film. So after I have tangled my hair and sectioned it off, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the styling cream to this section and just smooth it through. Honestly, I don't know how much of a hold this is gonna give me, but we'll see. But this is what it's looking like. Just this section. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the rest of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it first. I should have wet the other side first, and I didn't. And I should have detangled first, and I didn't. But that's okay. It's been about 3 months since I've done my hair, so I gotta get back in the swing of things. For that section, I'm gonna take about that much of the product. Oh, but my curls though look really good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is my hair after all the product is put into my hair, and I must say it looks very, very good. I must say it looks very, very good. I am very pleased with how it looks wet. I'm hoping that it dries to have a hold and most of all definition. So we'll see how this comes out. I've never done this. Hopefully it doesn't take, you know, 9 to 13 hours to dry, but I'm gonna let this air dry. I think it's currently like 4 o'clock. It's 3:20 now, so I'm gonna see how long it takes for my hair to dry, and I'll come back and show you guys once it's fully air dried. But as of now, it looks pretty good. I love it so far. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my hair. This is about 80% dry. There's still a couple of pieces here that are wet, like this part is wet. Most of the ends are pretty much dry. Just like kind of here and here, hit and miss places. I'm like sleepy. It's 9 o'clock now, so from 3:30 till 9 is what, 6 hours, so or however many hours it is, I don't know. My hair is kind of dry. I'm gonna go ahead and just tie my hair up. Actually, I'm gonna pineapple my, no, what am I gonna pineapple it? What am I talking about? Oh my gosh, I'm going to band my hair. I'm gonna band my hair tonight and take it out in the morning, and I will come back tomorrow and show you guys the finished look after I stretched it and, you know, fluffed it and all that. It's not hard right now. My hair does feel, you know, really moisturized, and my curls are still popping. I am just concerned about frizz, so I don't know how this style is gonna come out, but we'll see tomorrow. I'm about to go hit the sack. I know I go to bed very early. I have a newborn and I'm tired. So I will see you guys in the morning for my final thought. All right guys, so this is the final look. I am completely, excuse me, hello, back to our regular scheduled programming. Is that what they say? Yeah, okay. So I'm back, you guys, and I actually love my hair. This is, okay, so I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I showed you guys yesterday I didn't do anything. I didn't go anywhere. My hair stayed banded up. So today I took my hair down. It's fully dried. All I literally did was just take a pick and just pick my hair out, and oh my gosh, like, I honestly, I don't know if it's because I missed my hair, because I have not done it in almost 3 or 4 months, but my hair is so full, it's so soft, I love this product. I love this product. This product literally gets a 10 out of 10 from me. My hair has hold, but it's not crunchy. My hair, it has a soft hold. So my hair feels moisturized. It looks good. It's shiny. My color, it looks good. Like everything is just, it's just good. I'm excited. I'm excited. I love when I have a good hair day. And usually this is about, I get this big of volume in this hair on literally day 4 or 5. So for me to get it on day 2, I'm pretty excited about that. So I don't know how long this wash and go will last, but to get this type of results on day 2, I'll take it any day. I'm super duper excited. Be sure to check your local Sally's Beauty Supply store because the hype is real. Everybody hype this product up and it's real. It's AdrianneMG approved. I love this product. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and most of all, leave me a comment. I love interacting with you guys down in my comment section, so leave me a comment so I can talk back to you guys. All right, so thank you. See you later. Bye.